Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 209. And if we start with this column, we're only missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 7, 7 here, so 6, 9, 6 here, so 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this row now, we're just missing a 5. For this top row, we're missing a 2. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. I don't see any help, so 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 6, 9. That 6 makes this our 1, 6, 1. For this column now, we're missing 5 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. And for this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.